In a world of instant access to everything you could need and every luxury you could ever want, I've started to feel like creating things with my own two hands is even more critical. In this video, I'd like to talk about why making things by hand is more important now than ever before. If you're new here, my name is Amanda, and I'm an embroidery artist who's been working with needle and thread for years. Still, it's only become apparent to me how important it is to use more traditional skills and analog techniques in the wake of the rapid rise of AI. Things feel so much more intangible and artificial to me lately. Creating feels like an act of preservation for humanity, but it also feels kind of like an act of rebellion. Knitting, embroidering, sewing, all of these crafts take a lot of time and patience. With shortening attention spans and unlimited conveniences, this feels like the antidote to me. Just because you can automate something doesn't always mean it's the best solution. I would argue that there is satisfaction in working hard for something and a level of concentration and mental endurance that I find challenging yet fulfilling. Even beyond building your mental fortitude, creating by hand will make you appreciate things so much more. Clothes are highly affordable, but the manufacturing system that produces them is far from perfect. If you've ever knit a sweater or sewn an article of clothing, you will realize how involved and complicated clothing construction can be. While machines do some of this in factories, much is still done by hand and requires a high level of skill, which really puts things in perspective. If you've ever made anything by hand, you know that it's a marathon and not a sprint. New trends pop up every week, social media feels like a fever dream, and the world in general feels like it's going 100 miles an hour. It sure feels strange at first, but you may start to notice how slowing down makes you more mindful and less anxious. Our brains aren't meant to consume the vast amount of stimuli and information that we ingest day after day through our phone screens and televisions. Focusing on one task at a time can feel monotonous at first, but I promise you, it's actually quite refreshing. While most of us don't make things out of necessity anymore, I still strongly believe that it holds an essential place in our lives. I'd love to know in the comments how you feel about this. Do you feel the same pull to create more too? These are just some of my thoughts when it comes to the intersection of technology and crafts. I try to discuss topics like this every now and then, so if you're interested in this or any sort of embroidery tutorial, please consider liking and subscribing. I'd also like to thank my patrons for all of their support. The pattern that I'm stitching right now is for the month of March in 2026. It's available for my patrons, and it's also available in my Etsy shop if you're interested in stitching it yourself too. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed and happy stitching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.